I'm gonna see how fast we can go in reverse. Woohoo! This is pretty crazy. Normally you're supposed to be going forward with the car. We're redlining this John today. Let's go, baby. Easy. Make sure to keep watching the video because we're gonna be answering a ton of intrusive shower thoughts for cars. Now we're gonna see what happens if you off-road a Miata. All right, let's give this a whirl, shall we? Going off-road here. We're hitting the rocks right now like every average Jeep owner. All right, but now we gotta go for the mudding course. Oh yeah. Oh, handling it like a champ. We can just easily hop over these bumps. Now we're gonna jump off a curb. Actually handled it better than I thought it would. Now we gotta handle one more off-road course. Gotta go for a speed bump. Easy. Big hill, big hill. All right, let's go for the big hill. Not a problem. One more speed bump. It's easy, you know. And now we park terribly. So yes, you can off-road a Miata. I've watched a little too much Fast and Furious, so I want to see what happens if you take the top off while you're moving. So if I'm just going and I just want... Oh. Kind of expect that to be a little more interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Don't we love Miatas on the channel? Oh, sorry, my brakes are a little aggressive. So like most of you, let me just clip in my safety belt. I want to be a race car driver, so I'm gonna see how many times I can go in a circle before I get bored. So it's gonna be very intense. If you guys are new to the channel, we had a little bit of a clutch issue not too long ago. Gotta be careful there. I wanna start scrolling, hold on. Sorry, I'm just texting and driving. Oh, dude, I just got invited to a party. Let's go. Hold on, I gotta text and drive real quick. It's okay, it's self-driving, right? Don't they say somewhere in the owner's manual you're not supposed to stress out the steering rack? All right, I'm bored. I got TikTok attention span. Oh, ow. Need a medic. Ah. Like a lot of you guys, I prefer older cars. So we're gonna see what happens if you get too close to the center line. Let's see how close I can get before it starts beeping at me. I don't want my car to have ultimate control over me. I want to be able to do whatever I want when I want to be able to. Like this.
Inside, is he out of control? Oh, goodness me!
Oh, it's actually not beeping at me. What the heck? I can just drive halfway off-road. It's not beeping at me. You can drive halfway off-road and you can drive normally and it doesn't seem to beep at you. Okay, it's not beeping at me. All right. I'm really not sure. I've really expected this to be causing problems. Oh, there we go, finally. So you can actually drive halfway off the road. It's completely fine. Then I saw some kids running a lemonade stand, and since it was approximately 372 degrees outside, I decided to help them out a little bit. They were selling it for $1, so I gave them $10, and it was pretty good lemonade, I will not lie. So I had to take a break from filming in. I wanted to take a shower because it's really hot outside. So I'm gonna go in there and see if I can do that. Shower got hands. Now I actually want to rewind a bit and show you a time that we had a slight infestation in my car. I didn't take that disrespect too well from the bugs, so we gave them a little payback.
Look at him. Look at him. Getting sauteed on the concrete right now.
All right, we've had enough. So we have torn this car apart. So we took the seats out, ripped the carpet up. All right, we're almost done. We're reinstalling everything in the car, got the carpet all nice in, all clean. See, it's all nice and clean down there.
Finally did the V8 engine swap.
Yeah, we have an LS V8.
What was it? It's a supercharged dual clutch.
Exactly, yeah, that's a dual clutch, don't look at that.
Big gloves,
Oh.
a broom,
After,
a recorder, raid, handcuffs.
don't worry about the hand. After all
That's what we
this,
ended up with.
we have won the war, I think.
Oh, and look, there's a screwdriver.
Oh yeah, let's put that away. Now, one last thing I want to reveal in this video is we're working on a little project that is going to be very, very cool for my cars. This is just the start. The thing I'm making is going to be huge, but this is the whole brains. This little Raspberry Pi right here. Can't wait for you guys to see what this is. Little teaser, little teaser, because it's going to be, I think it's going to be something really, really, really cool. Like, that's pretty original too, so can't wait till you guys see it. We'll begin filming it soon. I got to get a little more progress on it.